Hi guys, today the new tutorial is yet for all of Power Lightroom is not a pixel editor. It's workers by strongs and instructions on of how improve and enhance. And look at the images where what we see the screens and Lightroom nothing more than the preview of what images would double click OK and like for new where apply those instructions of the images benefit of type of workflow in that instantly non-destructive no matter what to do the originals photo and remain safe and unrated the download and throw it that's only so only we can non-destructive editings.